£0, 0 pence. Absolutely, completely, 100% nothing. I need £100. I have £0. Somebody help me.
I can help you, and it is easier than you think.
I have wanted this chair for 4 months. It is ergonomic. It has Lumba SP port, has RGB lighting, building. I need it. You sit on a bee bag. That is exactly the problem, Kemi.
500 methods. Are you both ready to work?
I was born ready.
Method 1, odd jobs, car washing. Method 2, sell stuff. Sell old toys or clothes. Method 3, bake and sell. Cupcakes, cookies, flat picks. Method 4, teach something you know. Method 5, digital products. Total, £100, 1 week. Any questions?
Can we start today? Already started. 5 cars, garden, dog walk, shopping carry, 4 hours.
£20! As predicted.
The dog tried to eat my trainer though.
That was not in Baba's plan.
But the £20 was. You already have time. Time plus effort equals money. It works every Saturday.
Things I have not used in 6 months. Not mine anymore. They are inventory.
Inventory? They are just your stuff, Kemi.
Stuff nobody is using has no value where it sits. It has value where someone else needs it. I am moving value to where it deep.
For a jacket.
Pounds for 1 afternoon of listing. Your wardrobe next.
My wardrobe is fine. Wait, is that my old robot?
What is gathering dust in your room is money waiting to move. Sell it. The Orty for £4.
What is 3 for £4 telling the customer?
That if they buy 3, they save 50 like they are winning. And then I sell more.
It's just in every supermarket in the world does.
Does what I do.
Waitrel wishes it started as you.
Right. To the school gate.
Your kitchen is already a factory. Most people just do not know it yet.
Tables are not about memory. They are about patterns. Watch.
Oh, that is why 7 times 8 is 56.
That is why I never forget it. Akimi is getting paid to explain maths that she already knows.
Could teach people your knowledge.
To set up a gaming control.
Yes, Baba. I can teach on Xbox series.
Then you have a
tutoring business. You already know something someone else wants to learn. That knowledge has a price. So I just answer questions, and they pay me.
Companies need feedback. They pay for honest opinions. This is a transaction.
I am reading the terms and conditions. Nobody reads those, Kimi. Somebody should.
£20 in my pyjamas.
Any rule that does not want a parent involved is not a
You already know something someone else wants to learn. That knowledge has a price. 95, 98, 99, £100.
As predicted.
Now Baba making this. I actually made this.
Did not find it? You did not borrow it.
To compound.
Now your money has a job in the S&P 500, and the rest you spend. Every wealthy person starts somewhere. A first pound, a first sale, a first customer. Something they made. It isn't luck, talent, or which school you went to. It's learning early that you can make money, not just wait for it.
I made £100 this week from nothing. You can too.
So tell me, what method will you start with?
It is fun challenge time!
Hello, future millionaires. It's challenge time. This week, choose one money-making idea from today's episode and give it a go. Whether you earn £1 or £100, every journey starts with the first pound. Then tell me in the comments, what did you do and how much did you earn? Parents, join in too. Help your child plan their first money-making idea and celebrate their progress together. Want to keep learning? Download your free Future Millionaires activity book using the link in the description. Ready to take the next step? Join our Future Millionaires investing community by completing the form linked in our community and bio. The best answers will be featured in our next episode. See you next week, Future Millionaires.